So now that you have imported your photo into Photoshop, you're going to go over to the top left-hand corner of the screen, go down 4, right-click on that one and go to the Quick Selection tool, and then go to the Add to Selection button, and you can change the size up or down. I'm just going to change my size here real quick to one that I think would work well with this. And then I'm going to select what I would like to cut out. And once I have my selection done, I'm going to go up to Select and Mask. And then over here, these are view modes, which basically I'm just running through all of them. And for different images, different view modes work best. I just chose the on black for this one because I thought it looked better and showed the edge better. And so now I'm just messing around with the global refinements. And this smoothing bar, as you can see, smooths out the edge of my cutout. I just kind of chose it to do around 50%. And then this other one is feather, which I chose not to do on this because I didn't think I really needed it. Contrast makes the edge sharper, so it kind of does the opposite of smooth. And shift edge, it can shift it inwards and then also shift it outwards. But I just put it back to 0 here because I really didn't need the name of that. And then you can do this smart radius, which kind of helps just refine it a bit. And I messed around with this just a little bit more before I decided on all my settings. And then I went down to the bottom right-hand corner and clicked OK. And so once I have this, you want to just do Command-C on your keyboard. Don't click the screen at all. So once you've done that, then you go to the bottom right-hand corner. Down at the bottom, you'll see this little square with a plus sign, and you're going to click that. It'll create a new layer, and then you do Command-V without clicking anything else, and then you click on your background layer, delete it, and there you go. You have it cut out now, and then you just go File and save it as. So there you go. That's how you do it.